Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing a little DIY kind of fabrication, and I'm creating my own cylinder filter or cartridge pool filter cleaner. I got the idea from Larry Mcconnell. I'll link his video in the description. He kind of inspired me to do this. I couldn't find the exact parts that he used in his video, but I'm going to show you the parts that I did. So what happens is pool filter, you have the cartridge ones where it's a cylinder, right? So usually they have all types of tools where you can clean from the outside, but one thing that Larry McConnell on his video said that why would you clean from the outside on the inside? You're like pretty much taking that dirt, that grime, and pretty much digging it more into the fibers of the filter. So he came up with an ingenious idea where he used a sprinkler head to actually clean the filter from the inside out, and then you just rinse it from the outside. So he used simple parts. I'm gonna show you what parts I used. So this is the riser. You'll need a riser, I believe. So here's the part number. I'm going to show you what I did. This is a 1/2 inch by 24. He used 3/4 inch. I couldn't find a 3/4 inch, and I just had to make do with what I had. I'm not sure if that affects the pressure, but this is again, this is a 1/2 inch by 24 inch riser. I have a 1/2 inch PVC coupling because I use that to connect this part right here. That's the part number right there. And what this does is this allows you to connect a hose to a 1/2 inch connection, and then I got this shut off valve so I could shut it off when I put it inside the filter. I'll probably do a follow-up video on that, and the part for the shut off valve is right here. It's orbit. That's the part number, and that's all you can see, the part number. The other part that I use so I can convert from 1/2 inch to, I think this is right there, 1/2 inch. You put this in the riser, and then you take the spray nozzle. I couldn't find the brass one, so I had to make do with what I had. And this is the part number right here. So you need a 360 one, so when you put it in the filter, you know that the spray actually pushes out the dirt. So when you assemble this together, you take your riser, and then you put this part. This is the shrub nozzle adapter for threaded risers, right? It says for threaded risers. Yep. So this is the riser, and I'm gonna put this on the tip right here. This is just for demonstration purposes. I want to Teflon this nice and secure. Once I put that tip, I'll put the actual shrub nozzle, spray nozzle. And then I'm gonna go to the other end, and then as you can see, I already put the shut-off valve to this coupler here. This is called, I forgot what this is called. This pretty much changes your backyard hose connection into a 1/4 inch. There's a name for it. I'll probably put it in the description of the video when I upload it. So now I just connect. I had to use the coupling to connect the riser to this part right here. Right, there's a name for that. I'll put it up. And you know, this riser, it's kind of pretty long, so you could actually go all the way down to the bottom of the filter. Now I'm going to connect it. I'm going to show you. It might have some leaks, but the whole idea is to give you an idea of this in action. And I put the little shut-off valve here because I wanted to, let me see if you can see that. Yeah, see, have that shut-off valve so I don't have to run back to the hose, and I could just have complete control there of opening it and closing it at will. All right, let me pause the video right here. Okay, so here's the end connected to the hose, and once I open this valve, it should spray in a 360 degree faction. This is, of course, you know, this is the shrub, this is for you to water your shrubs or your lawn, so you know how this works. But I just wanted you to see it connected. Let me get a, I'm gonna move the valve. See that stream? You see that 360 degree stream? So you insert this inside of the filter and it should loosen and push out the debris, and you give it a couple of times up and down, you know, a few once overs, and then you go in and then you hose it from the outside. I guess when the time comes to clean the filter, I'll do a follow-up video. And the beauty of it, that once I'm done, I don't have to run to the hose. I could just close it right here. See that? Alright guys, if this video was informative, give it a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, any questions, any suggestions, any comments, please feel free to put them in the comment section below.